Just press the go live and record button. Facebook is still showing a little blue circle, so I don't know if you're actually able to see this right now. But thanks so much for coming. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart, and I'm here today to break down some of the tech frustrations and share with you how you can build more engagement on Facebook. Now, this video is not endorsed by Facebook. I'm simply sharing with you because, first of all, my business outside of my day job is digital marketing, and second, I firmly believe that everyone should learn how to leverage the internet for whatever it is they want to do, whether they want to be an entrepreneur, whether they want to find a job. The internet is seriously like going to help you in so many ways. So today I'm going to be sharing with you tip number 9 for building Facebook engagement. Now, I have done 8 of them already of the 14 that I am going to be completing for you in the next few weeks. So if you want that full training, just let me know. Say 14 down below or shoot me a private message, whichever is best for you. So today, week 9 of this 14-part program is all about consistency, right? Consistency is key in anything that you're looking to accomplish. If you're looking to complete a book, if you're looking to complete a degree, if you're looking to not have to keep starting over and over and over again in your business, consistency is key to making sure that you stay on track and that you are accomplishing your goals. Now, obviously, there's other things with that, like you need to make sure that you're doing the right things, you're in the right woods, as it were, et cetera, et cetera. But consistency truly is a key to building engagement because let's say that you build engagement for about a week and then you're gone for 3 or 4 days. In social media times, that's like a really long time, and people might actually be wondering what's going on with you. But if you're not consistently building that engagement and interacting with people and doing a good portion of what I've shared with you already, then you are going to struggle and find issues with creating and sustaining engagement on Facebook. So, 3 points I wanted to share with you today on being consistent and creating content daily. First of all, ask questions, gain feedback, hear from your customers, right? We as entrepreneurs tend to think, oh, okay, well, I'm a digital marketer and my client is someone who's looking to grow their business online, and so they're struggling with the fact that they don't understand tech. Maybe that's who your target market is, right? But if you don't actually ask them what their problems are, you may be completely off. You may start creating content that you think is helpful and might be, but not actually be attracting the clients and possibly job offers that you're looking to create in your life, right? So ask questions, use the social media as a tool to get feedback on your customers, your friends, your family, and as entrepreneurs, that's our job. Our job is to find out what the problem is, what someone's fear or issue is, and invite them to check out what you have as a solution. It's not to be a sleazy salesperson that most people think of when they think sales. It's not to, persuade someone to join your business, right? It's about finding what their needs are, what their pain points are, and if you have something that can help them with that, offering it to them, showing them what is possible, right? But you have to ask, you have to engage and build relationships with people before you can even try to share what's possible, because otherwise you just don't know what they've got going on in their life. You don't know if you're a good fit for them. Nothing. So ask questions, gain feedback, and hear from your customers. Number 2, you want to do live video consistently. If you do it every day, people know that you're going to show up every day. If you do it once a week, that's fine, but do it consistently so that they know, okay, on Saturdays, Cassandra comes on and shares something about digital marketing. Even better, every day, every Saturday at 10 a.m., so and so comes on and talks about whatever, right? Sometimes that doesn't happen, but if you can be consistent so that people know when to expect you, when to see you pop up, they're going to keep an eye out more for you. Also, if you consistently are creating live video, this is ways for you to create more content that you can share on more platforms, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever. The more you do live video, on whichever platform and save it, you can repurpose that for later, including just doing audios for podcasts. It's a pretty cool little trick. All right, number 3 for why you should be consistent with your content marketing and your creation and just being consistent with whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish is that consistency, as I said, shows that you are showing up. It shows that you're trustworthy. It shows that your audience will know what to expect from you, right? There are so many people that are a flash in the pan. that, might be available one day and then stop talking for a week or a month or whatever. But if you are consistent, you are showing your audience that you're here, you're sharing, you are following, your own the drum or whatever, right? So that's why it's important. Is it builds that rapport. It allows people to know what to expect from you, and you just keep showing up and you keep moving, making forward, and making progress. So that was part 9 of my 14-part training on creating Facebook engagement. If you would like to receive the full training, just let me know, send me a message, or leave that note down below for me, and I'll be sure to connect with you to make sure that you get it. So thanks so much for watching. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart. And if you don't know already, I do have a day job, but I also have a business in digital marketing because I am passionate about empowering you to create success. And I firmly believe that there are two skill sets in life that firmly embody the parable that if you give a person a fish, they eat for a day. But if you teach a person to fish, their family feeds for generations. And while I'm not going to talk about the other one that I firmly go behind, digital marketing is another one, because when you learn how to leverage the internet, when you learn how to leverage social media, when you learn how to do all the things that you've probably seen so many people doing, you have a leg up and above so many other people, not just for business, but also if you're looking to find a job. So if you want more information on that, just let me know. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful and prosperous rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.